We are making this mystical Zodiac candle using Resincrete, so let's jump right in.
So I'm going to be using this Zodiac mold, and it has the Zodiac signs on the side, and on the lid it again has the Zodiac signs with this beautiful sun in the middle. This mold is from Temu, and I will link it in the description below. We're going to use Resincrete to form the sort of container for our candle. So I've mixed up my Resincrete, and as you can see, because this is a lot thinner, I'm not worried about it getting into the details of the mold. I'm not even going to shimmy this. I just know that it is going to pick up on all of that beautiful detail on the mold.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it's been 35 minutes. This is now dry, and it's time to unmold. I'm carefully pulling this away from the sides of the mold, and it comes out nice and easy. And look at that. Didn't I tell you that it's going to pick up all of those Zodiac details? And I am so pleased with this. Now that these have sweat out, we are going to go ahead and seal it. And I'm using this little wax thingy, which was sent to me as a sample from Homeware Designs. And I'm just applying that. It is like a Vaseline waxy consistency, and I'm just going to go ahead, apply it on the inside, outside, and basically everywhere on the base and on the lid. And I'm going to let this live for a bit, and we're going to move on to the next step. So you could obviously leave it as it is, but I decided I want to highlight those intricate signs and details of the mold, and I'm going to do that by using this liquid gold by Montana, and I'm using a little Q-tip that I'm going to carefully dip into the paint and sort of just lightly dab over those little bits. Once again, I'm going to list most of the material in the description below. So as you can see, this has obviously taken forever to do, but I mean, it was pretty satisfying at the same time. So I actually quite enjoyed the process. Now that the lid is done, I am ready to do the same on the sides of the little base.
One eternity later.
Okay, these are dry now and we are ready to actually make this into a candle. Now again, you could leave this at this stage and use it as a trinket tray, but in this video we are actually making a candle. So now all the supplies that you see me using for the candle bit are from a candle making kit that I bought, and I'm gonna link that in the description. It came with these sticky double-sided little stickers, and basically what they are for is to sort of hold the wick in place. So I've put it down somewhat in the center of the bowl and I'm just peeling off the sticky bit. Next, I fit in the wick into the metal base and stick that down in, applying some pressure on the sticky base. I've melted my wax and I have added my fragrance. You could obviously color the wax if you like. You could add whatever fragrance oil you want to. I decided to leave it natural color of the wax. And here's a little time lapse of the wax drying. So now my wax is somewhat set and it's time to trim off the wick. Now with these wooden ones, you don't want to leave a lot on top, so you can cut it pretty close to the base. And you can use the leftover bit for another candle. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these safety labels on the back of the candle. And once again, these were bought on Amazon. I am going to link everything in the description below. And there we have it. Our candle's ready. I am so in love with this. I love the color. I love all of that detail. So pleased with how this turned out. You might see me making a few more of these in different colors because I just love them so much. I hope I've inspired you or educated you or even just entertained you in some way with this video. If I have, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'm a Piscean. Let me know in the comments what star sign are you. Once again, I'm just sharing the details of this beautiful candle. Let me know if you want me to do this in another color or in a different way. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, see you later. Bye.